Hello guys! Today I am cutting deep key gauge which I had decoded on a UCHIDA safe cabinet, and I've been using this for quite a couple of years already, and they are very accurate. Well, most of these UCHIDA safe cabinets, they are having a 5 digits number on the locks, and in which it is from 0 to 9, and I had decoded it, and I'm making now a reference key that will be useful for me when I go home, because this kind of machine is too expensive for me and I cannot afford this, so I better have to make key gauge for myself, and later on I can cut a key through this reference key which I made. Okay, by the way, for those fellow locksmith which I've known in YouTube, well, if you don't have this kind of sequence on UCHIDA safe cabinet, it is very important. I can share it with you, and this is for locksmith eyes only, because this should not be fall on some just non-locksmith people, which is not useful, not very useful for them in a legal way. Alright folks, so bear with me. I am cutting now the last one of this key gauge, and the blank of this is STA1 or STA1R. Right, the ST1R, that is the opposite side of STA1. Alright, so I'll cut now. Okay folks, now that is complete. Thanks for watching and good day.